A man was fatally shot during an alleged shootout with the security forces in Tucker, St. James on Friday morning. The police say a firearm was seized at the scene. The deceased have been identified as 29-year-old Chef Otis Edwards, who reside in the Tucker community. The police report that about 5:45 a.m., a joint police military team was on an operation in the area when the now deceased was seen. He reportedly opened fire at them, which was returned. The man was hit in the exchange. Director of Complaints at Indicom Western Office, h00tout, told the Gleaner that the investigative oversight body is aware of the incident and is carrying out an investigation. 2 people have been taken into custody for questioning in connection with Tuesday's double murder in Port Antonio, Portland. Shade Ping, 28 of Campbell Avenue, and 23-year-old Keno James of John Town District were shot dead at Campbell Avenue. Investigators seized several cell phones and are reviewing CCTV footage as part of their probe into the double murder. Detectives theorized that the killing could stem from a love triangle, contract killing, or scamming activities. Miss Pink and Mr. James was among a group of people playing dominoes when a car drove up and a man alighted and shot them. The Clarendon police have charged 28-year-old Rory Palmer in connection with the death of Canadian national Jada Pauline Whitehead. Mr. Palmer, a fisherman of Portland Cottage, was charged Wednesday with the offense of causing grievous bodily harm with intent, but investigators are expected to upgrade the charge to murder in coming days. Mr. Palmer's case was mentioned before the Clarendon Parish Court today. He was remanded until June 1 when his attorney, Dwight Priest, is expected to apply for bail. Ms. Whitehead, who arrived in Jamaica on April 30, died in hospital on May 13, a day after she was involved in a physical altercation with Mr. Palmer, who is said to be her husband. A post-mortem report suggests that she died of injuries sustained during an altercation. A 40-year-old man has been charged with arson after allegedly setting his neighbor's house on fire on Wednesday, May 24. Charge is Bo Rose, otherwise called Old Pipe, a farmer of Guinea Tree Lane, Norwich, Portland. Reports from the Port Antonio police are that about 11:30 a.m., a man was at the back of his house attending to his goats when he reportedly saw a Rose pouring liquid on his house. The man later saw his premises engulfed in flame and went to the police to make a report. Rose was arrested at the hospital when he turned up with burns, injuries all over his body. He was later charged. A court date is being finalized for him.